Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I am back with another cleaning video. Today we're going to be talking about 9 myths about your dishwasher. A few of these things are just misconceptions, a few of them are old wives' tales, and a few of them might have been true 20 or 30 years ago, but since the technology around dishwashers has improved, they're not true anymore. Let's start with a common one. Myth number 1 is that you must pre-rinse your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher. That might have been true 20 years ago, but today's dishwashers have smart dishwashing technology. So that means that they can sense the food particles on the dishes and adjust the amount of water used or adjust the length of the dishwashing cycle to make sure that your dishes get clean. So most dishwasher manufacturers and even the Good Housekeeping Institute ran tests on this, and they suggest just scraping all of the food particles off of your dishes into a garbage can and leave whatever sauces and residue are left behind on the plates. Put them in the dishwasher. Your dishwasher actually works better that way because the smart sensor in your dishwasher can tell that there is stuff there that needs to be washed away. It runs the dishwasher for an appropriate amount of time. If you rinse everything off beforehand, the dishwashing cycle might not be long enough to completely sanitize those dishes. And I've also seen a bunch of tests that suggest that the dishwashing detergent actually works better if it has something to wrap itself around, some food particle residue left behind to wrap itself around while it's working. Dishwasher myth number 2 is that delicate items cannot be washed in your dishwasher. So people in the past would always leave their china or their glassware, stuff like that, out of the dishwasher. But again, most dishwashers can handle those items if you know how to load your dishwasher properly. So double check your manual, but in general, those delicate items need to go on the top rack in your dishwasher. And a trick that I like to do with wine glasses is to always have them surrounded by softer items like plastic cups. Okay, on to dishwasher myth number 3. You save water by hand washing your dishes. Dishwashers use too much water. Most dishwashers sold in the US these days are Energy Star rated dishwashers. Energy Star rated dishwashers use about 3.2 gallons of water per load. If you're washing the same amount of dishes by hand, you're not going to be able to do it for less water than that. I actually have a full video where I test a bunch of different ways that people say that they hand wash dishes. And the water usage for all of those methods was way above the dishwasher. I'll link to that video above. Check it out if you want to see proof. But modern dishwashers are more effective at saving water than hand washing. All right, myth number 4 is that dishwashers use more electricity than hand washing. And again, after all of the Energy Star testing and research, it's been shown that modern dishwashers using their own heating element to heat the water use less electricity than you're going to be using for the water heater to heat the water for your sink. I'll link to the Energy Star page on dishwashers in the description if you want to check all of this research out yourself. Dishwasher myth number 5 is that hand washing is actually a better way of cleaning your dishes. But again, extensive testing shows that as long as you're using the hot water on your dishwasher, it is way more effective at cleaning and sanitizing your dishes than you are going to be able to do it by hand washing. That's mainly because dishwashers can use a lot hotter water than you're ever going to be able to use in a sink, and that hot water alone is an effective sanitizer for your dishes. The temperature reached inside of a dishwasher can effectively kill things like E. coli, viruses, bacteria, mold, mildew, and it's a better way of cleaning all of the gunk off of your dishes. Plus, you get that extra sanitizing boost at the end if you let it steam dry your dishes. On to myth number 7, and this is one of those misconceptions, I think, and that is that dishwashers clean themselves. You're cleaning your dishes in there, what you're left with is a clean dishwasher. But there is a filter inside of your dishwasher that needs to be cleaned regularly. If you don't clean that filter regularly, it's going to lessen your dishwasher's ability to clean your dishes. And sometimes soap residue can build up along the bottom of the dishwasher, so you have to make sure to clean all of that out. So about once a month, you're going to need to clean out your filters, wash them with soap and water, and then run a store-bought dishwasher cleaner through an empty cycle in your dishwasher. Or you can run your dishwasher with a cup of vinegar in the top rack of your dishwasher. That is actually what my dishwasher manual suggests for cleaning. I have steps for that in another video if you want to check it out. Myth number 7 is that dishwashers are noisy and annoying. And while some dishwashers can be kind of loud, you can buy dishwashers that you will not hear at all while they're running. Typically, the soundproof dishwashers are the ones that have stainless steel inside. So that stainless steel inside the dishwasher is a great sound barrier. You can be standing a couple of feet away from the dishwasher and you wouldn't know it was running. Myth number 8 is that pouring vinegar into the bottom of the dishwasher and then letting it run a cycle is the best way to clean your dishwasher. I know I just said that you can clean your dishwasher with vinegar, and that's true, but you do need to put it in a cup on the top rack of your dishwasher. If you pour it directly into the bottom of the dishwasher, most dishwashers, the first thing they do when you turn them on is drain all of the liquids out of the bottom of the dishwasher. So it's just going to pull all of that vinegar out of the dishwasher. And if you pour vinegar directly into the bottom of the dishwasher where all of the rubber parts and the gaskets are, it's going to start to dry out those parts. So you have to be careful when you're cleaning your dishwasher with vinegar. And the last myth is that dishwashers these days just don't last as long as they used to. Well, again, according to Energy Star research, the typical dishwasher these days lasts from 10 to 15 years. The average lifespan of a dishwasher from the 1970s through the 1990s was 9 to 12 years. So these days, the dishwashers do last longer, but they do require regular maintenance. So make sure that you're doing your monthly dishwasher cleaning. Clean out that filter every month. Follow the recommendations in your dishwasher's manual and always use the right detergent in your dishwasher. And to avoid hard water buildup, so if you live in a hard water area, make sure that you're using hard water softener or a water softener and a monthly dishwasher cleaner that can remove hard water deposits from your dishwasher. To extend the life of your dishwasher, you can replace certain parts on your own. So my soap dispenser broke. I bought a replacement part off of Amazon, replaced that myself. All I needed was a screwdriver for that. I replaced my silverware dispenser when it started to break and the silverware was falling through. So certain things you can do pretty easily to keep that dishwasher going longer. I also have another video showing how to repair rust spots on your dishwasher rack. So you don't have to replace your dishwasher racks. Those can cost hundreds of dollars. There's a pretty cheap DIY fix for those. So check out that video if you have rusty spots on your dishwasher rack. All right, that's it for today's video, guys. That's my 9 myths about dishwashers. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I do try to answer them when I get a chance. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye, guys.